Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another day at that. How do I pronounce it? Val d'Isere. Is that how you pronounce it?
Val d'Isere.
Okay. Anyways, you know what we mean. We're both probably saying it wrong. Anyways, today's gonna be a good day. Last night we partied hard. That in yesterday's vlog, but we partied real hard and I look so rough this morning, so just kind of excuse me, but we're all going off together today. A little bit later, yeah, it's literally like 9:30 right now and we've been out at like 8 every day. We're going out a little bit later, but and it's snowing, yeah, so we need to get really snowy. It's minus 16 today. We're all going together, so everyone's just getting on their ski gear, getting ready to go. This is our worst bit because it takes so long.
When we look our prettiest.
Yes. Oh, you look cute though with your pink and pink. Go on, Mum. Look at her. We all are wearing snooze because it's so cold on the lifts when you go up. It's literally freezing, isn't it? So cold. Yeah, Dad was like cuddling me on it. He was so cold.
On my face, I've got little lumps since one of the other girls.
Wait, seriously?
Little lumps, and it's from the, I can feel it stinging.
Oh my god. Here we go, here we go. Do I look like this thing around me? Oh my god. We're going up in the lift. Up we go. Team. And the views are amazing. So I'm going to show you, but the windows are really scratched. Look at this when we go up. We're not even like an eighth of the way. Dad's been doing amazing, haven't you, Dad?
I'm not sure about that. I've got out once.
Guys, this is crazy. Look, it's literally a whiteout. You can't see anything. Like, we're literally skiing in what? I don't know, it's just snow everywhere. A blizzard, it's white, the sky is white. Like, yeah, zoom it all the way up.
You can't even see.
Like, that's the sky which we're pointing at right now. What the hell? So got back from skiing and it was literally a whiteout. Couldn't see anything. It was really scary. It was so cold. So we left, got some lunch and stuff, and now we are walking into town, go mooch around, have a look at the shops and stuff. What we're walking over, what should I call it?
The nursery slope.
The nursery slopes. Yeah. And there's those people skiing. The views are literally amazing. This is the new vlogger of the year. Hats from Lidl, everyone.
This is somebody who's called Saffron. Apparently she's quite a famous blogger, but...
You haven't even got it facing you! You haven't even got it facing you! Look at the camera! It was facing the other way!
Facing me now, isn't it?
You had it facing that way the whole time! This is what it looks like, by the way. It looks amazing. And these are the shops and stuff, but like the actual town goes like down here. If I could snowboard, this would be my board. That is actually so cute, the donuts on. You can't actually see how small these are, but they're little mini kids moon boots and they are so cute. Mum, look, try and put our hand next to it. Like, this is how small. You can't see, they just look like normal big boots, but they're literally tiny. We've just come to like one of the Val d'Isere gift shops. Literally, look at this. We wanted to get it for Harlow, but she obviously would never wear it because she's never been skiing before. This mug is so cute. It says Val d'Isere, then look at the front. It's so cute and it has a little spoon in it. Goodness, Mum, this pencil case. Did you see this? Supermarket fun, here we go. I haven't had these in years and I got so excited and Mum was like, they have them in Asda. But, oh, I love these so much. Look how good these look.
Ferrero,
Kinder.
so they're like, make Ferrero Rocher, aren't they?
They're so good. No, it's people who make Kinder, is it not?
No.
Yeah, it's the same. Are they not Kinder, but just like a new version? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, this all looks so good. I swear we don't have these in the UK. These look amazing. Ketchup Monster Munch. I never knew this was a thing. I don't think I'd like it either, even though I love ketchup, but we got the snacks. Go on. Mum? Thanks. Karen? I'm going to try for the first time ever. Oh, but is it really long piece? Oh, it
No, it's
really
only long.
smells.
So look.
Let's see what it is yet.
Beef jerky.
Not that bit.
I can't get it out. I actually can't get it out. Okay. Beef jerky for the first time. This looks disgusting ever. It looks like dog food. Okay.
No, just eat the whole
I
lot.
don't think you've got it.
No, I don't like it at all.
Is it really salty?
No, it's isn't.
Oh, no, I
It
can't
tastes
try
like pepperami, and I hate pepperonis. Don't you think it tastes like pepperami?
Yeah.
We've just come to a little pit stop from shopping, and we're gonna come and have a little drink. This is actually a crepe place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crepe. That's what I said, crepe place, yeah.
Might have sounded like you said crap.
The chairs are made out of straws, it's so cool. This place is really, really, really cute. Look, I love the stalls here, so cute as well. So here were our different drink options. I went for a hot chocolate. Clearly Mum went for the largest glass of wine, a beer, and pineapple juice.
Most of us are all in our rooms getting ready because it's like getting on for evening, we're getting ready for dinner, and I'm going to show you, Saffron's left her camera in my room, I'm going to show you what she's doing before she goes out for dinner. She's been running for 15 minutes. 20 minutes later, she's still on there. Debbie, come on, do your exercises. We just feel fit being in the gym.
So good, Saf. It takes so long to get on the level.
Dedication.
Okay, so I just got out the gym and rushed straight to dinner. Literally had like maybe 10 minutes to shower, get changed, put on makeup and everything else. But we are at dinner. There's so many of us. Basically everyone. Not here, no. But literally tonight is the best food in the buffet. They have steak, they have carrots. Although, what do they not have? Tom? Broccoli. We're missing the broccoli so bad, honestly. This is my food though, but I would like to say it doesn't go. Actually, it kind of goes. It's just fried potatoes. It's the fried potatoes, literally like a plate of carrot and steak, so I'm so excited to tuck in. This is how many of us there is, and actually some people at a different table too.
This is how the evening's turning out so far. The challenge is on. Come on, Saf. Don't let us down.
This is the situation, they're all playing Uno. What did you just win? Who won? Hey, well done, Gracie. Everyone's doing sambuca shots and it's making me feel sick because I am so tired. Oh my god. Dad, that's so gross.
Oh, I love that.
Smashed it. Secretly had water in there. Everyone done them? Yeah. Now for a game of Uno. You don't know where my mum is, and then she's on the dance floor in our hotel as if. Oh my god, it's actually like.